This is gonna be my week 6 Python. Here on this week 6, I've been talking about I start learning about how to create a list, how to access an element on a list, how you can delete an element, how you can combine two lists, how you can access using a negative value. I mean, like when you use a negative value, it means that you're gonna access the list from the end. So this is what I've been doing, how you can reorganize the list, um, how you can build a function, how you can check the length of the list, how you can check the maximum, the minimum, the sum and the list. So yeah, this is it. So apart from this one, we had two more exercise. It's about the sum multiples of 3 and 5. So this one, this code gonna help us to find the multiples of 3 and multiple of 5. Now we're gonna combine all like or we're gonna combine the multiples of 3 and the multiple of 5. So first of all, we have to create two lists, the multiples of 3 and multiples of 5. So this code right here is gonna create a list that contain all the multiples of 3 that range between 3 and 1000. And this will be possible through this operator here, the percentage one, the sign, the symbol. So this symbol gonna help us to, it's gonna check all the numbers that are in between 3 and 1000. It's gonna start dividing all those numbers by 3 when we have the reminder is 0. That means it's a multiple of 3. The same thing for 5. So we're gonna combine all the multiples of 3 and put them together. So as you can see on this one, this line right here, it's all multiples. So this is gonna combine a list of all multiples of 3 and 5, but it's gonna set so that the two lists won't repeat. So we can have some a number which is a multiple of 5 and it's multiple of 3 at the same time. So we can put them here. That's why we put this set right here. So this is the code, and then there is also another one. Yeah. So this one right here, it's a little bit tricky, but it check some. Yeah. So for this one, it's only check some points. So for this one, we have to create two two parameters. So the parameter for number A and for number B. So as you can see here, it's gonna give you the parameters. So if number A is equals to 0, it's gonna return us the value of B. That's gonna be the GCD. So if number B is equals to 0, it's gonna return number A. So for this one, we can even check, like, let us say like number A is equals to 0. So if you run that, it's gonna return number B because it's number B is 8. So this is all stuff, and then here we're gonna find like when number B is equals to 1, it's gonna return B. Also when A is equals to 1, it's gonna return 1. So here is the 2-1. So on the main function, this is the main function, as we can say the main function. So these two blocks right here, it's, for example, this one, it's, we have two cases. It's when number A is greater than B and when number B is greater than A. As you can see here, when number A is greater than B, it's enter the first and repeat subtraction, like so. When number A is greater than B, that means it's gonna repeat this until B becomes 1. Same thing from this case where number B is greater than A. So they can swap so that we can subtract B from A from B so that until we get 1. So that means like we're gonna swipe. So when B is greater than A, we're gonna swipe. B becomes A becomes B. And then we're gonna repeat the same thing. And this is gonna return, we can return the value A, else we return none, so when we don't have anything. So this is what we've been doing for this week. I think probably next week we're gonna